Welcome back students, in this video we are going to dive into the world of pages in Figma. While it might be some bit dull, but trust me, it's a crucial organization tool that will keep your design work tidy and straight. So let's get started. Firstly, you have probably noticed we already have a default page, that is page number 1. Now that's a page currently contains all the frames we have created so far, likely intro page, home page, burger menu, category, my account and orders. To make this thing clear and most organized, we will create new pages. For instance, let's click on this page button and let's add new page, or we can rename this page. So let's rename this page. Currently it is page 1, so I'm gonna rename it like click cart mobile app. For renaming it, you can just click on your page number 1 and now we can change name. Okay, so this is gonna be our page name. Now let's add another page name. Let's say we want to create like desktop app or a tablet app. So in that case, we gonna create a new page, and in that we are gonna create a specific design for like tablet. Or let me rename this again because this one is for mobile. If someone accesses this file, that person will get confused like what is going on. Like this one is tablet app, I get it, but what is the above one? So let me rename it into mobile. Okay, so we got two pages. Second one is totally empty, so we don't have any item in it, but let's add some frames. So tablet, let's choose tablet. Oh, okay, very good. Okay, so we have Surface 8 Pro and iPad Mini 8 and iPad 11 and iPad Pro 12.9. So let's take this one like 12.9 inch, and we can create some multiple I will say pages, like hold alt and duplicate. And let's say we have 6 pages, I guess, is 6 frame in our app. So we are gonna do the same thing. Okay, so this is gonna be our tablet section. So I'm not gonna design this, I'm just showing this for a demonstration purpose, like how to use pages. Like let's say you want to create the whole tablet app like this. You can create a new page, create these new frames and create a new tablet app, or you can create a desktop like website for this same app, that is click cart. So if you're interested in that, please do that, and you will get some extra points, and you can also share that with me, and you know where to submit that project. You can take a screenshot of it and submit it into project section. Okay, now let's move on to the new page and let's create a one page, and in that we are gonna add click cart, task flow and brief. Okay, so this is gonna be our first page. Let me move it over here. Just hold it, like just click on it and hold it and drag it like this, so it will move on. So in resources file like Figma exercise file, I added this task flow. So this task flow and brief. So you just have to copy and paste it over here. So you don't know how to like add that, just go to home section and click on import. Choose a from your computer. Okay, in exercise file it is over here. Figma, click card, brief and task flow. Click on this and the extension is Fig. If you want, you can use PNG, but I will say add the Fig file, Figma file, and let's import it. Okay, it is done, so it is over here. Just copy all of those things like frame 1 and this frame 2, Control C, and let's copy this in our where it is. Okay, this is where I want to paste. Control V. So this is gonna be our brief, this is gonna be our mobile app, and this is gonna be our tablet. Or if you want to create another website, you can also create a new page, rename it and create a website. It's totally depend on you. Okay, now let me show you some like really good examples of pages. So when we are trying to get some icons from community, so we duplicated this file like bezel, and you can see we don't get any like icons over here because we are in page number 1 and the name of the page is thumbnail, and after that we get full preview, and in full preview we get all the icons, so we can directly use in our designs. The same thing with unicorn design. You can go to pages. First one is covers and second one is unicorns, and we get like lots of icons, and we can just copy and use it. And there is another one example. I know I'm taking too much example, just bear with me because this one is the good. Okay, let's say someone is like really new beginner, he don't know anything about UX, and he got to know about this iPhone's new feature, that is dynamic island, and he want to copy these elements and use it into his design. So if you download this, you can see we don't. Okay, let me go here. Okay, so on first page you will see this, but he is not in the page section, so he might get confused. So in that case, you can just go to this cover section or page section, and you can access all the elements. Like this one is status and home bar, mockups, wallpaper. Last one is artboard and grids. Okay, this one is a grids. So grid section is really important. I will teach you in future videos, so stay tuned for that. Because of grids, we are able to design our apps. You will know in future videos, so stay tuned for that. So this is how pages work. It helps us to organize our things in our designs. Okay, so as we progress in this course, we will create simple design system, often referred to as a style guide, which will be another use case for pages. For now, make sure you created pages for mobile, task flow, as well as for tablet app. If you are interested in this tablet app, create that and make a design, and you know where to submit it. And copy paste your persona and the task flow into respective pages. Alright, my students, we are all set with pages. So stay organized, and I will catch you in the next video. Happy designing!